What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and also hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So this is a hard reset video, also known as a factory reset. This is something you may want to do if you want to sell your phone, so you need to get everything off of it, or your phone has just been acting up a lot, or your storage is full and you want to just erase everything and start brand new again, so that your phone starts working normally. This can help you in all of these situations. Also, if you have a password and you forgot it and you can't get into the phone, okay, by doing a hard reset, you'll be able to erase everything, bypass the password, and start using the phone again. All right, so I'm going to show you two methods to factory reset. First, I'll show you through the settings, and then I'll show you with the buttons so that if you have the password, you'll be able to bypass it. So let's first go into the settings here. Here in settings, you're going to scroll down to general management. Okay, here in general management, the option all the way at the bottom is reset. You're going to select it, and then here in reset, you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to select factory data reset. Okay, here it's just going to let you know to confirm that everything will be erased. Okay, so if you don't want certain things erased, I suggest you back them up before moving ahead with this, because everything will be erased. Okay, once you're ready, hit reset. It's going to ask you for your PIN or password, enter it, and then once you hit done, the reset process will begin. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do it so that if you have a password and you forgot it, you're having trouble getting into the phone, or your phone is disabled like this because you've put in the password in wrong too many times, with this method, you'll be able to bypass this. All right, so how we're going to do this is we're going to press volume down and the Bixby button or power lock button at the same time until the phone screen shuts off. Once it does, we're going to release, and then we're going to press volume up and power lock button until the Android recovery menu appears. Okay, let's go ahead and do that now. So volume down, power lock button, same time. Okay, you're going to see the power off menu appear. Just continue holding for about 10 seconds, and then release and press volume up and power lock button at the same time, and then continue holding both volume up and power lock button. Okay, once you see this, you can go ahead and release. And yep, as you can see, we are in Android recovery right here. So here, all you have to do is with the volume button, you scroll down to wipe data factory reset right there. Okay, and then confirm with the Bixby, the power lock button. Okay, here, scroll down to factory data reset and then confirm once again. And yeah, there you go. So once you see down here, it says data wipe complete. All the way at the bottom, it's going to say data wipe complete. Then you're done. You can just go ahead and hit the Bixby button once again to reboot the system now. Okay, then you're just going to give it a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two, for it to turn on. And there we go. The phone has booted on now. It's at the initial setup of the device. Okay, so here, just go through all of these steps here to get your phone set up once again. All right, everyone. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know if it did. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.